Hi guys, so for our today's video, gagawa po tayo ng avocado ice cream using only 3 ingredients. So for the ingredients, meron po tayong avocado, whipping cream, condensed milk, and then kung wala po tayong whipping cream, you can use the Nestle cream, all-purpose cream. And then habang i-blend lang po natin yung avocado. And then, separate po natin yung avocado. Then, on the other mixing bowl, maglagay po tayo ng 2 cups of whipping cream. Then, i-mix lang po natin gamit ang hand mixer hanggang ma-achieve po natin yung tamang thickness niya. Maging heavy po siya. Yan. So, kapag thick na po siya, i-add na po natin yung condensed milk. And then, i-mix po natin ulit. And after that, ilalagay po natin yung blend natin na avocado. Then, hahaluin lang po natin siya ng maigi. Yan. Hanggang sa mahalo na po siya lahat. And then, after that, transfer na po natin siya ng lalagyan. At kakaberan po natin ng plastic or cling film. And then, i-keep na po natin sa freezer for like 8 to 24 hours. So, after 24 hours po sa freezer, meron na po tayong homemade avocado ice cream.